Is it better to hire an agency, or is it better to kind of build an in-house team? Selfishly, as an agency owner, my immediate thing is hire an agency, but that might not always be the right answer for you and your business and your law firm. If you have a lot of knowledge and insights into digital marketing and you could actually hold somebody accountable to kind of building out a team and executing the right strategy, by all means, you can kind of build out that team. In fact, I've got a book that I wrote. It's called Law Firm SEO. And in chapter 5, it talks about that. What does the team look like? Who do you hire? If you don't have knowledge and you might not be able to afford to bring somebody in that has the experience and has done it before, sometimes it might make sense just to hire an agency that already has all the resources and the people, and you just basically pay them a retainer and hold them accountable to getting the results. So again, it really kind of comes down to your education in this particular space so that you can hold somebody accountable to getting the results, and your expectations on the results that you're looking to get.